Hello everyone, today we make together pastillage. Pastillage is one of the best details you can add it to your sugar showpiece. Also you can do separate showpiece like this from just pastillage. Today we have a very easy and unique recipe you can do. As you can see in my photo, I use it a lot to make painting, to make a lot of things. If you first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younes. Keep continue watching my channel. I promise you, you will be professional in pastry and bakery. Let's start. 2 kilo 500 gram icing powder or sugar powder, 45 gram gelatin, 8 gram citric acid or tartaric acid or lemon salt, 135 milli of water. It's so easy. In beginning, I must soak the gelatin in ice water. So if you have gelatin powder, you just mix it with 135 gram of water. That's it. But if not, you must soak 45 gelatin in ice cold water 7 to 10 minutes to bloom, and then you can continue using the recipe. This recipe is so easy. I tell you everything about the secret and how to make it very soft, and sometimes how it fast dry and really strong to make single showpiece only pastillage, as I show you in the photo. When all gelatin soak in water after 7 minutes or 10 minutes, it becomes so soft. First step, you must squeeze strongly, so I don't need any extra water. It's so important for the dough to have exactly that amount of water. In this recipe, 8 gram citric acid. And this citric acid, it helps to dry fast and also help gelatin to be strong. So use exactly the right amount and you will really be happy with this pastillage recipe. What I'm doing, I added 135 gram of water to gelatin and 8 gram of citric acid. I keep it. You can put in bain-marie if you don't have, or 30 seconds in microwave. So after 30 seconds in microwave, if not melt, you give 30 seconds. Don't give a lot of time in microwave because I don't want to burn gelatin or extra heated. You can see now the whole campaign together is melted, gelatin, water. What I'm doing, I do like 300 gram of icing sugar to this mixture. Why? Because if I added the gelatin mixed direct to the sugar, it will be lumps, it will crystallize, and which is not good. When I break down with 300 gram of flour, and that make first the gelatin go down in temperature, second I make sure that it will separate it in all the way around. I keep all in mixing bowl with hand mixer, and just I mix it and I add it gradually, little by bit, little, until to have all icing powder or icing sugar. It takes from 2 kilo 200 gram till 2 kilo 400 gram. And then I take the whole, as you see, it becomes white and shiny and soft and smooth. Very important to use nice brand of icing powder or icing sugar. Now what I'm doing, I divide it to many pieces. You can see still soft. It will be crystallized if it be hard. What I'm doing normally, I keep it in the fridge or outside, doesn't matter, because when I use it, I reheat it for 10 to 15 seconds in microwave and becomes soft again. What is very important, the quantity of sugar, water, gelatin, that makes the recipe so strong. I can add a little of icing sugar or I can use corn flour. What I'm doing, I divide it to 3-4 plastic bag. Then when I need it, I can take it and I use it in the best way. There is a lot of pastillage recipe using corn flour and white vinegar. Believe me, I try all, and the one is so good and crystallized and dry in very short time. Tomorrow, if I want, I can take out from the fridge or the container. I keep it 10-15 seconds in microwave, and that's it. You can see it's so soft. I prefer to dust the table with icing powder or icing sugar. It makes the dough dry faster. But also a lot of people won't use corn flour or corn starch. Here it is. I have rolling pin. I sprayed. Also, I can use dough sheeter if you want to do a big quantity, or using your hand and right table. And then I have my showpiece or the design I want, or chaperone. And with this cutter, it's so easy. If you dip the blade of the cutter inside water, it's so easy to cut, and you can see take the shape. After that, you can do, you leave it to dry. One day it will be perfect dry, and then you can use your ear brush technique, and you can do a lot of nice garnish. Pastillage is very important to all pastry chef. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make subscribe if this first time. Thank you.